Alright guys, this one I'm super excited about. It is a Berny, my first Berny, and it is a Patek Calatrava Homage. I forgot what color I ordered. I think, ooh, wow. Beautiful, nice crispy numerals. I really like a watch with numerals, I don't know. Especially ones that are kind of done like this. I paid $106 for this 38mm Seagull ST213. Look at that, very thin. Wow. This looks great. Look at those syringe kind of hands. Wow, I just love the font of the numerals. Oh man, look at that. Let me get it on the wrist to show you guys. Alright, so the watch is really cheap, but that's fine. Probably sub it for some leather strap, because this watch is super nice. I just wish it had a dial, a color, a date wheel that matches the dial. But that texture on the dial, the numerals, everything about this is great. I don't know much about the Seagull movement, but I think this is a home run. And I'm definitely going to look more into the Berny brand. I feel like they've become kind of like the more affordable version of San Martin. They're pumping out releases almost weekly. You can see them on Reddit. You can see them everywhere. But this one made me pull the trigger, and man. So I have the blue and green kind of look similar. I might be colorblind, but I ordered the blue one. So it's kind of like a bluish greenish suede strap. The dial is definitely blue, but I feel like any dial variant will look great. Anyways, I'll see you on the full review. Peace, guys.